One thing is for sure, we are eternal.
Hey, Composed Gloves here. Another video, sound demo. This time we're looking at Electronica. It is a sample pack for electronics. They're just a bunch of loops. Just a crap ton of loops. And this is literally, there's no extra folders or nothing else to dig through. I'm very unimpressed with the setup as far as it being intuitive goes. But I am impressed with the loops, I guess. I think the loops are quality loops. I just think try working with it in a GUI. Try setting up all these different MIDI tracks. Try mixing them differently. Try affecting two things at the same time. The whole thing is just a nightmare in that regard. So if you're only going to use one or two, I think they're great. And okay, so that was a whole bunch of negatives. There's one more. I can only find the east-west files. I can't find the original sample data, so I can't pull them out as original raw waves. They are all come up as this EWI, east-west, whatever file type that is. I think that's a load of bull crap. But other than that, I like the samples and loops. Well, yeah, so you click one, you go to your browser, you click one, load it up, and there's only one, there's literally one, and you can't load up, well, you can click add, so you can click add, but some of it will overloop with your previous one. You click add. I don't like this. This system's not a good way to deal with this. Bad way to deal with it. I don't like it. So, I mean, if you get it all set up and stuff, I guess that's fine. Mixing them differently, stuff's still hard. So, and the mixer doesn't give you that many options. Like, it's a rudimentary mixer. It's not very useful in those regards. So, now that that's out of the way, let's just play some loops and see what they sound like. And this one hasn't broken up on all the stems. So yeah, that's what you're getting. I'm not going to say much more. It's basically, if you're using something like this, you're using it because you want a particular loop. You just want to go to something that's different. But I would not come here for ease of use. I just have other places with other libraries that have just as good loops that are much more intuitive to work with. So yeah, that's pretty much my opinion of this. I could see if I clicked on this, that's just because I want to do something that I normally wouldn't do. And so, because it's also, they kind of write the music for you, and that's, I don't know, just the whole thing. But just taking out, like, I could use that loop. That could be a useful loop. So that's that. If you have any questions, drop in the comments. Maybe you think I'm being too harsh in my judgment. I mean, maybe I'm missing some great way of using these other than the fact that they're loops and you have to work with them through the GUI interface. So yeah, subscribe and have a blessed day.
Composing Gloves. Reverse it.